So guys, the box is already done. As you can see, I've had two compartments on it, and the box is well sealed. Water cannot escape from it, and this is how I've done the box. It's a shoddy job, but at least the work is done, and I can plant my things inside it once I place it in the balcony. So this is how it is. Well done. No water can escape on it. It's sealed. The nylon paper is not torn. It's good. So I've had a few paperwork, which some nylon papers which I sourced from somewhere. I've really thought of this for so long, just to do a few sample testing here and there on the balcony and see what can be done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to import some soil from the farm. That is, my farm is located at Kambo near Mtitoande. It's a Kambaland. And this first compartment is going to, I'm going to plant some Kitunguu Saumu and ginger. So just a few plants, not so many. I'm just going to have 6 pieces over here for Kitunguu Saumu and maybe 2 or 3 plants for ginger. Over this compartment, I'm going to plant 2 types of potatoes. That is, here there are 3 of them. I'm just testing it for the first time. Where this is the compartment, really I'm gonna import some soil from the farm just to see whether, once I do use my soil on these, and whether the potatoes are going to do well. So I'm going to do like around 2 to 3 plants. That's why the compartments are so deep, to be able to hold the potatoes. You know, potato plant does have a lot of potatoes down there. So forgive me for lack of knowledge about concerning the potatoes. It's first time I'm doing it. I'm just doing a test, just to see whether I can do well with my care from start for the next 3 months. Just checking, spraying the requested pesticide and all that. It's an organic farming whereby I'm going to spray organic fertilizers and all that. Yeah, just to observe and see for 3 months what's gonna happen. So here's my daughter. I think she thought that I've made a toy compartment for her, maybe something to play with. But so unfortunate, it's just plant testing. So from here, I'm gonna move it to the balcony. So there's something I was talking about. Some of the farmers are so lucky to own plots in Nairobi, whereby they can just slot a compartment, maybe a few space here and there for their testing. But for the guys who are not yet there, this is what we use just for test purposes. Yeah, I got 2 balconies, so I'm going to have one for me. I think I'm gonna name it Ben's balcony. So this way I'm going to place everything. So that's it for the video, and thanks for watching, guys. So for those guys who farm through the phone, you can always have some place to do your samples here and there. So never say that you don't have anywhere to test, or you don't have anything, or you can only farm through the phone, which is a tricky situation. So always do your test. So I'm gonna test here before I move to the farm. So thanks guys for watching. See you on the next video.